Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I'll show you how much I've been paid since I've been monetized on YouTube. So in this video, I'll be going over a few things, including what you need to be monetized, the pay frequency, a full month of monetization, how much I've made since being monetized, how long did it take to get monetized, steps to get paid, and my most popular videos. So what you're looking at here is the YouTube Studio. The YouTube Studio is where you manage your YouTube channel. This is the YouTube Studio for another channel that I have. I wanted to show you what this looks like on this channel as opposed to what it looks like on a monetized channel. So here we are in the Learn section of the YouTube Studio. There's 2 levels to being monetized. So the first level, your channel needs 500 subscribers, 3 video uploads in the last 90 days, and one of the following: 3,000 public watch hours in the last 365 days, or 3 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. And once you hit those thresholds, you can begin to get monetized through memberships, supers, and shopping. You can give your audience exclusive perks as a monthly paying member. Super chat, super stickers, and super thanks help you engage with your community and feel supported. So with supers, you would earn each time fans buy a highlighted chat or animated message. And shopping. You can connect the store to promote your products like merchandise on your channel. So if you want to know when you're eligible, you can click on this Get Notified button and YouTube will notify you when you're able to apply to the YouTube Partner Program. The next level of monetization is earning from ads. So for this level, you need 1,000 subscribers and one of the following: either 4,000 public watch hours in the last 365 days, or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. So you can earn from watch page ads on or around your videos and from YouTube Premium subscribers watching your videos on the watch page. You can also earn from ads between shorts and from YouTube Premium subscribers watching your shorts in the shorts feed. Once you're eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you'll have to apply. YouTube will then check your channel if it follows their monetization policies. If everything looks good, you're in. So here's that same Earn tab on this channel's YouTube Studio. So right here it says I'm a YouTube partner, and underneath it tells me what I'm using: watch page ads, shorts feed ads, supers, and shopping. And then underneath that, it gives me more ways to earn. So I can finish setting up my membership or take advantage of Brand Connect. And then underneath that, it gives me some important things to know. So now I'm going to talk about pay frequency. YouTube pays its creators every month, between the 21st and 26th of each month, as long as you've met the payment minimum of $100. So I didn't hit the payment minimum in September, but with October added in, I met the $100 minimum on October 19th. I was paid November 21st through direct deposit for the period of September 5th through October 31st. So now I'm going to go to the analytics section of the YouTube Studio. So here are the analytics from October 1st through the 31st. So it says in October, people watched your videos 11,245 times. So here's a graph that shows you different analytics. You can see your views, your watch time in hours, subscribers, and your estimated revenue. And this revenue tab only appears once you're monetized. As you hover over the line, it shows you the specific amount of views you got for that day. So for the month of October, it looks like I got about 300 to 400 views per day. And with this month, I posted a short on October 3rd, a full-length video October 12th, and another full-length video October 23rd. And so the highest that I made in a single day for this month was $4.46. Again, if you hover over the line, it shows you how much you make each day. And I made $78.32. So this graph here is just an overview of some of your analytics. If you go to the top here, you can get a more in-depth look on different analytics. So if I go to revenue, this graph right here shows all the money that I've made from everything I could possibly have made money on: watch page ads, shorts feed ads, supers and gifts, and connected stores. As of right now, I'm only making money through watch page ads and shorts feed ads. So if I want to see specifically how much I made in each category, I can click on one of these buttons. So I just wanted to jump in here and just thank you all for subscribing to the channel and watching my content. I am now able to make money off of teaching you guys how to do all types of Canva tutorials, hand lettering, and more. I had made a video on my channel when I got 1,000 subscribers, letting you guys know that being fully monetized was the next goal and I needed the 4,000 hours. So with your help, I was able to do that. So here's how the pay timeline works on YouTube. So from the first of the month to the end of the month, that's the pay period. You would get paid from YouTube the following month between the 21st through the 26th. So for example, from September 1st through September 30th, as long as you've made $100 or more, you would then get paid from YouTube October 21st through the 26th, depending on where you're from, your currency, and what method of payment you chose. So all you have to do is remember, once you hit that $100 threshold, that following month between the 21st and 26th, you should see payment. Now we're going to talk about how much I've made since my channel has been monetized. So now in the analytics, I'm showing you the last 90 days of revenue. So since being monetized, I've made an estimated amount of $212.22. How long did it take to get monetized? I started this channel in 2018. So I posted my first video on this channel on June 24th, 2018. It was a video about creating my own swatch book. So here's the timeline of the channel being monetized. January 5th, 2024, I had 500 subscribers. March 20th, 2024, I had 1,000 subscribers. July 28th, 2024, I had 3,000 watch hours. September 5th, 2024, I was eligible for monetization. And I used the YouTube Studio app on my phone to check on analytics. And for the watch hour analytics, it had a 5-day gap for data to be processed. So I very well could have hit those public watch hours a few days prior, but once it showed on my app that I had the 3,000 watch hours, and then I was eligible for monetization, were those dates that I mentioned. Once your channel has all of the subscribers and the public watch hours, and YouTube says you're eligible to apply to the program, you have to apply to the YouTube Partner Program. It could take about a month for YouTube to review your channel. Once you're approved, you review and accept YouTube Partner Program terms. Set up an AdSense account so that you can be paid, or link an active one. I set mine up July 28th, 2024. Your earnings need to reach $10, and then you have to verify your identity in AdSense. You will verify your address with photo ID, and you'll be emailed a PIN. And you enter it into your AdSense for YouTube account. Then you add your tax info and your payment method selection. YouTube Studio didn't allow me to add my payment method until I reached the $100 payment minimum. And then once you do that, you're ready to get paid, as long as you've reached the $100 payment minimum. So now I'm back in my analytics, and I've selected the period from September 5th, 2024 through November 25th, 2024. And again, this graph here shows you specific numbers based on the period I selected. So I've gotten over 31,000 views, 2,500 watch hours, 683 subscribers, and an estimated revenue of $212. So I'm also going to scroll down and show you the top content in this period. How to make a digital planner with hyperlinks in Canva, landscape orientation, got 8,711 views between the time period of September 5th through the 25th of November. How to make digital stickers in Canva, pre-cropped for GoodNotes and individual PNGs. That video got 6,214 views, and the How to Make Digital Planner with Hyperlinks in Canva to Sell on Etsy video got 6,035 views. So this concludes the video on how much I made being monetized on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And again, I just want to thank you all for watching and subscribing to the channel and getting value out of the videos that I post. And as always, thanks for watching.